Have a great day.
You're welcome. Thank you. Ms. West, please start your video. All right, Ms. West is not ready. I'm ready on Evans.
It was
I'm ready on Evans. This is case number 234432601, the people of the state of Michigan versus Frank Jerron Evans. Defendant is charged with 1 count of guns possession while operating under the influence. And today is the date set for a final pretrial conference. Appearances, please.
For the record, Your Honor, Christina Ritter on behalf of the people.
Good Wednesday morning to you, Your Honor, and your staff. Harry Baughman, P 55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Frank Jerron Evans. Good morning, Your Honor.
Thank you and good morning, Mr. Evans. Today is the day set for a final pretrial conference. Mr. Baughman, how are we proceeding?
Our client is going to here and now waive any rights to any further hearings or trials regarding this matter. He has been advised of his rights. He's going to waive those. He's going to make a factual basis and plead guilty.
All right, and is he pleading guilty as charged?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Evans, I'm going to share my screen, and on my screen will appear constitutional rights form. My question to you is, have you had an opportunity? Okay, my form disappeared. Have you had an opportunity to review for yourself or to go over with your lawyer your constitutional rights? And it's going to appear shortly. All right. Have you had an opportunity to review for yourself or go over with your lawyer your constitutional rights?
Yes, Judge.
Sir, when you did that, did you understand your constitutional rights?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand, or do you understand that this is a misdemeanor and therefore you have a right to a trial? However, if I accept this plea from you today, you are giving up your right to a trial as stated in number 6. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Sir, has anyone threatened you in any way or promised you anything that was not placed on the record to get you to enter into this voluntary plea today?
Not at all, Judge.
Drawing your attention to number 8, are you currently on probation or parole?
No, Judge.
Finally, sir, drawing your attention to number 11, it indicates that an appeal to the circuit court may be taken within 21 days of the date of your sentencing. However, do you understand that by entering into this voluntary plea, you may be giving up your right to an automatic appeal, and if you were to change your mind about the plea, you would either have to request permission of this court to set aside the plea or request permission of the circuit court to appeal the conviction. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
With that understanding, do you still want to give up your right to a trial and enter into this voluntary plea today?
Yes, Judge.
All right, sir, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you can put your hand down. And who is going to voir dire Mr. Evans with respect to the factual basis?
And I just need edification as to place and time.
Mr. Flanagan should have the file with that information if you want to do it. Mr. Flanagan, do you have it?
No, Your Honor, I don't have this file.
Uh-oh. What?
Judge, I can do it if that's okay with defense counsel in the court.
Thank you.
All right.
Mr. Evans, on March 12, 2023, were you operating a motor vehicle within the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And is that within the county of Wayne?
Yes, ma'am.
And prior to operating that motor vehicle, did you consume any alcoholic beverages?
Yes, ma'am.
And while operating that motor vehicle, were you stopped by Detroit police?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were operating that motor vehicle, did you possess a firearm?
Yes, ma'am.
And Judge, at this time, the people stipulate to the blood alcohol content being 0.10, and I think the people are satisfied.
Defense so stipulates, Your Honor, and defense is satisfied as well. Thank you.
All right, the court is, will receive the stipulation, and with the stipulation, the court is also satisfied with factual basis. I will accept a guilty plea to 1 count of operating or possession of a gun while operating under the influence. I'm gonna set the matter for sentencing. Mr. Boffman, how old is your client?
I'm 28 years old, Judge.
And, okay, he's 28. Hold on. Oh, this is a 2023 case. Okay.
Just for the court's information, the defendant is going to be entering a plea in front of Judge Archer, and a report will be generated for sentencing in that matter. I don't
Oh,
yet have,
will it? Okay. What is the case in her courtroom?
it's operating while impaired, and while operating while intoxicated, high BAC.
Okay, and has he I
I'm gonna go
apologize.
get directly.
Did you say
here.
he will be or he already did?
He will be, Your Honor,
When is that gonna happen?
today.
Oh, okay. So then let's do this. Let's just, I will order a pre-sentence investigation, but we'll let them know. It just could be the same one. They don't have to do
Yes.
2. And then number 2, I'm gonna set the matter for sentencing, but why don't you go ahead and go to Judge Archer's courtroom and then come back to my courtroom to let me know what day she sets her sentencing for, so we could try to coordinate those dates.
Perfect.
Okay, so then we're all set. I'm gonna order the PSIR, but it'll be just 1 that they'll conduct, and then we'll coordinate those sentencing dates.
Thank you again, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Have a great day. Stay safe.
Thank you.